Now, before we start talking about some of the details about what goes on each of these pages, let's first take a step back and answer a basic question. What is a daily journal? I know it sounds like a silly question, but it's a very important question. I mean, where did daily journals come from? What's the history and what's the importance, right? Now, I want you to close your eyes if you want to, and go back tens and hundreds of thousands of years. Maybe not hundreds of thousands, 10,000 is good enough. And before books, before internet, before this video, before any other source of information or source of knowledge, humans kept journals, even if they were on the caveman walls, or even if they were on leaves or even wooden books. Journals have been very important since the very first day of civilization, or even before civilization. It allowed humans to write down things that they have to remember, such as where to go, where to find food, where we're going to go, where if we go, we're going to get killed. So in other words, it was very important in recording information, getting things done, and making sure humans can survive. Now, we're not in the same context anymore, but today the use of journals is critically as important if you want to succeed. If you want to succeed in your career, your personal goals, and professional goals. So keep that analogy in mind. At one point we used it for survival, and today if you want to do the same thing as a successful person, you're going to have to look at journal as something very, very key and something you're going to have to do on a daily basis, regardless of who others is doing it or not. With that said, in the next video we'll get into why does it work and why to keep one.